So this is a 2015 Toyota RAV4 four-cylinder VVTi engine. And what we're going to do today is change out the airbox filter, the engine air filter, to just increase the flow. You can see there's like two latches and it's pretty simple. But I'm going to show you how to do it today. We have the air filter here, 17801 0V020. This is the OEM Toyota air filter for the car. And it's pretty simple. It's a drop-in air filter. You have this plastic or kind of rubber gasket around it, paper air filter, and you're pretty much gonna take the cover off, take the old one out, put the old one in. It's just gonna slide in this way, and so that's pretty much it. For folks doing this for the first time, Denso is a manufacturer that makes it for a lot of cars, Japanese cars. Toyota uses Denso for a lot of their stuff, particularly this air filter here. So does Honda. Sometimes I buy directly from Denso just to save a little money. But two latches, right? And then you have the plastic insert here that just kind of stabilizes it. It's on both sides, so one here and one there. And for the two latches, you just kind of pull it out, lift up the top, and you take out the old filter. This is an old filter. It doesn't look like it's that dirty, but really when you open up these fibers, you can see a little soot. You can see some there. But it's just good to change every like 15,000 miles. Some people do 30,000. I do it 15, just to make sure the engine's kind of breathing cleaner. And then all you do is just kind of lift this back up. I'm doing it with one hand for the video because I'm holding the video camera right now, and you just put it back in. That's pretty much it. See, goes back in, the gasket sits there. You gotta match these plastic plugs back in there. All right, cool. And it's in all the way. You can see that it just kind of encloses. It just takes a little wiggle, and then you just pop the plastic pieces back on. And that's how you change out air engine filter for the Toyota RAV4. Very simple. This we're just gonna throw away at this point, but that's pretty much the install.